Hello everyone. Today I want to speak about nature, not simply as trees, mountains, oceans, or a sky, but as Mother. When we say Mother Nature, we are not using poetry as accident. There is something deeply true in that name. A mother does not demand that you become something. She holds you until you remember who you are. Nature is that mother. When we step into the forest, sit by the water, or stand under the open sky, something begins to soften inside us. The noise of the world becomes quieter. The roles we play, the titles, the responsibilities, the expectations begin to fall away. And what remains? Just being. Nature does not judge. It does not rush. It does not compare. The sun shines on everyone. The wind touches everyone. The earth carries everyone. In that embrace, we begin to feel safe enough to return to our original essence, the self before fear, before ambition, before survival, before our primary focus. There is a reason we feel hope in nature, because nature operates by a deeper law, a law of renewal. After every winter, there is a spring. After every storm, there is a calm. After every night, there is a dawn. When we witness this rhythm, something inside us remembers. I am part of this circle. My sadness is not permanent. My confusion is not final. My winter will pass. Nature does not fix us. It reminds us. It reminds us that the growth is natural, that shedding is natural, that the stillness is natural. A tree does not struggle to be a tree. A river does not apologize for flowing. A flower does not question whether it is worthy to bloom. And when we sit long enough in the presence of this forceless existence, we begin to see how far we have drifted from our own true nature, and how gently we can return. Mother Nature gives us hope because she shows us what authentically looks like. She shows us strength without aggression, power without diminution, beauty without comparison, silence without loneliness. In her presence, we are taken away from our small, anxious self and expanded into something larger, something more spacious. And perhaps that is the greatest gift. Nature allows us to glimpse our own true essence, the part of us that is already whole. When we feel embraced by the mountain, when the ocean air fills our lungs, when sunlight touches our face, we are not becoming something new. We are remembering. We are remembering the quality that has always been there, the quiet wisdom within our own heart, the masterpiece of life that is already unfolding inside us. So, give yourself the chance to sit with Mother Nature. Not to achieve, not to analyze, not even to understand, just to behold. Because in that holding, hope is reborn, and in that hope, you begin to see who you truly are. Have a great day.